In primetime news this evening, police to target truck and trailer drivers operating in breach of the law. Road safety authorities demand new tactics to fight indiscipline on the roads. And Peter Bunting's Rise United camp dismissed claims they forced out Portia Simpson Miller.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, Janella, if JPS has its way, your light bills could go up. But by how much? In the Business Day, I'll tell you about JPS's application to the Office of Utilities Regulation.
All right, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Karen for the latest in sports. Karen.
Well, it's all about the Pan Am Games. Herman, it was a most productive day at those games for Team Jamaica with several medals mined. I will tell you all about it later.
And you know how we like to win, Karen. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening's question, what is your reaction to some of the internal issues being made public in the PNP presidential race?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.